What is Upwork and how it works? Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of freelancing, discussing one of the most popular platforms out there, Upwork. In this video, we'll give you a quick rundown of what Upwork is and how it works. So, let's get started. Upwork is an online platform that connects businesses with freelancers from all around the globe. Whether you're a freelance writer, graphic designer, programmer, or marketer, Upwork provides a space for you to find work, clients to hire talented professionals like yourself. So, how does Upwork work? Here's a simplified breakdown of the process. Profile creation. To get started on Upwork, you need to create a profile. This is your professional identity on the platform. You'll showcase your skills, experience, and portfolio to attract potential clients. Make sure to highlight your expertise and stand out from the competition. Job search. Once your profile is set up, you can start searching for jobs. Upwork offers a wide range of categories, from writing and design to programming and marketing. You can browse through projects that match your skills and interests. Use filters to narrow down your search based on project type, budget, and other preferences. Submitting proposals. When you find a job that catches your eye, it's time to submit a proposal. This is your chance to convince the client that you're the best fit for their project. Tailor your proposal to showcase how your skills and experience align with their requirements. Make sure to highlight what makes you unique and why you're the perfect choice. Communication and collaboration. Once a client accepts your proposal, you enter into a working relationship. Upwork provides a platform for seamless communication and collaboration. You can chat with your clients, share files, discuss project details, and even have video calls. It's all about staying connected and ensuring a smooth workflow. Payment and reviews. Now, let's talk about the financial aspect. Upwork has a built-in payment system that ensures secure transactions. It handles invoicing and payments, so you don't have to worry about that. Additionally, after completing a project, clients can leave you a review. Positive reviews build your reputation on the platform, attract more clients in the future. To sum it up, Upwork is an incredible platform for freelancers and businesses alike. It offers a streamlined process to find work and hire professionals. Create an impressive profile, search for jobs that match your skills, submit compelling proposals, communicate effectively, and deliver quality work. With Upwork, you can build a successful freelance career or find the perfect talent for your projects. That's all for today's video. I hope you now have a better understanding of what Upwork is and how it works. If you have any questions or want to share your Upwork experiences, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.